Good day, everyone. Hopefully I am live without any issues at this point. There's no guarantees, however. How are you guys? It is Christmas time. It's not Christmas yet, but it's Christmas time. Here in the middle of Kanakistan. Just making sure that we're online, and then we're gonna get going. So we've got this guy to deal with today. Got pretty far last time, actually. Volume is low. Oh yeah, that's true. I had to lower it for a test stream on Twitch. Should be of good volume now. So, I think all of the mechanical assembly is done. The only thing that I don't know what the deal is this guy here. There's like an extra piece, an extra assembly. There's no extra feet for it, I don't think. Or is there? No. I don't think this thing's got a tail. I'm back. Had to sneeze. Okay. Yeah, I don't think this thing has a tail. I don't see any other place for this to go. I wonder... I'm not sure what's going on there. Some of these are a little bit more loosey-goosey than others. But it's pretty good, though. Pretty nicely supported. I think my favorite feature is this part, where you can lift this up and access the board and access the batteries. That's pretty cool. So I need to pick up the PDF and see what I'm dealing with here. Oh, I still have the PDF open from last time. That's awesome. Oh, I think we're doing wiring. I think wiring is the next step. Note, do not try to connect here. The actual connection interface will be described in detail below. Yeah, I sure hope so. Can't see my screen. There we go, that's a bit better. By the way, if you're ever going to buy a laptop, check the viewing angles on the laptop before you buy it. This is one of my biggest regrets. Viewing angle is garbage. Okay. So, according to the diagram... Oh, jeez. It goes D2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and then 14 is the one in the head here. Oh man. Okay, and where do they plug in exactly? I'll just spin this guy around here so I can open this better. Are these labeled? They are D2. Okay. I don't think that'll be too bad. So 2, 3, this is 2. I gotta make sure I also have the right sort of way that it goes. I'm gonna get my my soldering goggles so I can see what I'm doing. These guys here, nothing fancy, but the magnification does help. Because if you can read tiny little font like that at arm's length, you've got better eyesight than I do. Okay. Okay, 5 volts in the middle, ground on the bottom. Okay, so that's D2. Ground on the bottom. There we go. D3. This might be a while, ladies and gentlemen. D4. This one over here. I must say though, their instructions are pretty good. Their labeling also pretty good. I'm not really distraught in all this. The only thing that'll upset me is if I have to upload code onto this thing. I don't want first of all, I want them to ship one of these. The kit costs like $100, a bit more, $150. These things cost like $2. That's great for centering servos. What they did though is they want you to upload a code to this board to center the servos, and I would rather they just ship it with the hexapod code right off the bat, and then use a servo centerer to center the servos instead. That's good. This one here. Hey BWs, Merry Christmas to you too. Merry Christmas to everyone. Or Happy Holidays, or whatever you celebrate. Just don't celebrate it with people if you can help it. You know? Celebrate by yourself. My wife and I are not going to see family this year at all. None. Okay, and then it starts back up from this end. I'm gonna go to the, by the way, if anybody feels lonely on Christmas, I will be streaming at noon Eastern on Christmas Day. You guys can come and hang out with me if you're feeling lonely. Yeah, I agree. Built over bought. I definitely agree that sometimes it's better. I know there's like some people put a lot of emphasis on family. Like for me, like I'll see them eventually. It's not that big of a deal, right? Like this pandemic can only last so long. So I don't really care. I'm gonna see them eventually. Everyone's gonna be fine. But some people really need that family thing, and it's not me. So I understand. I completely understand if people really do miss seeing their family. I'm not begrudging them, but it won't be me. It's not me. Because, you know, you talk to them over the phone, you go on Skype or whatever the elderly can do. And it's good, you know? Hey Kim, how are you? Merry Christmas, Kim. I'm not sure if you're coming by on the Christmas stream or if you're going to be with family, so Merry Christmas now. We're going to go to the P.O. box on the 24th because I think Rose said you sent her something, and definitely somebody sent me something. It's a company though. Outside here. Is that D10? That's D10. I took my twin brother's family gifts yesterday. We are staying home on Christmas. Yeah. Yeah. We're staying home too. Christmas stream is on Christmas Day at noon Eastern. I don't know what that is in Chemical Land, but 12 Eastern. I think that'll be like 9 a.m. or something for you. Something like that. Go in here. If you were hoping for an entertaining stream today, all the bloodshed has been the other day, so you can see this one's almost closed up now. I don't know if you can really see that. The wound is nearly closed. That really sucked though for a little while. Yeah, I don't know how to use wish lists. You know what? I have a wish list, but someone, a very kind patron of mine, sent me stuff from my wish list. But I think what that person did was they just bought all the stuff and sent it to my PO box, like the paid shipping, which kind of sucks. I don't want them to pay. Like, shipping is pretty nuts up here. There we go, and 14. And if I got this wrong, this will be hilarious and it'll just crash. There we go. That's a lot of wiring. This is crazy. I might take this apart to use the servos for something else. This is neat. Okay, that's good. Oh, gotcha. But yeah, shipping stuff to Canada is sucky. And from Canada is sucky as well. When I sent stuff to the US, just tiny little box. Just about this size. So sent a box this size to the US. It was like $12 or $13. I sent it to BC in Canada. It was like $20. Brutal. You know what? It might catch fire. It's a very non-zero chance. How about that? I'm also not going to manage these wires. I'm just going to stuff them in there. Oh wait, but I got more stuff to do. Alright, let's keep going. Let's see. Ultrasonic sensor needs to be connected to the middle. Like right here. So ultrasonic sensor that's here. Does it have wires on it? Didn't see any. This is for the LEDs. Oh no, it just has a plug. There we go. Little plug there. What kind of plugs do I have? I have this guy, 4-pin. This guy, 4-pin. They're the same plug. Oh, this one ends in pin headers though. What about this guy? Also ends in pin headers. This one's just a plug to plug. Like so. No, I had a module catch on fire. That's one of my, I think it's number 4 most popular video. But no, nothing's caught on fire so far. And I'm definitely not going to sacrifice my coffee to a robot fire. This is going to be quite the task getting all this in. Okay, so that's in there. What else? LEDs need to go down here somewhere. It's not very obvious where they want me to put it. There? No? Over there, right there. Just gonna slide this in from the top. I'm kind of curious to see how long this is going to take me to finish. Theoretically, I'd like to be done on time to go hang out in Joel Telling's stream after. I think he starts at in 2.5 hours. It was 1287. Yeah, isn't that insane? We don't live that far from each other. Canada Post is pricey. I think the box another maker sent me, that's I think it's 2 mailbags ago, that was like $55. Catch a pick and place machine on fire. Really? Was it Sion from Unexpected Maker? Did he catch one of his pick and places on fire? So I'd assume if he did, it's very likely it was by purpose. He's had some bad luck with the pick and place machines. Also need to plug in this guy here. This is terrible. Make me plug this in. VCC, it says VCC ground, SCL and SDA, but the wire colors don't match up. It looks like it's ground VCC. Black? Okay, well the black has to go in VCC. That's a new one for me. It said, install it correctly or the board will be damaged. But there's like 2 ways to do it. Okay, whatever. Let's see if I can just 5 volt ground. It'll be black, red. That's not even where they want it. Over here. Okay. Black to the edge. Red next. This is sketchy. Yellow, then green. Oh my god, it's not even the right spot. They want it up here. Black, red, yellow, and green. Starting to have my doubts here, ladies and gentlemen. Will that even shut? Like, no, it won't. Scary. Yeah, David, I agree. Welcome, David Watts, everybody, ladies and gentlemen. Oh no! Oh, this is not going well. Yeah, I don't know about this. I don't know about this. Starting to have doubts. I'm gonna leave the hatch open. I might do some wire management later on, but not right now. Yeah, the wires will give. That's not the problem. I'm just worried about the rest of it. Okay, let's go. Install the upper computer control software. Oh no. They want me to install Python. Oh no. I was not ready for this. Oh. You know what? I say we just put batteries in it and see what happens first and foremost. Let's go into the danger container. Hey Johnny. Yeah, it's like stuffing a turkey. Yeah, the only turkey is this guy here. So into the danger container. We're gonna grab these Chinesium cells here. Oh boy. So again, my goal is to be done this before Joel Telling's live stream. So yeah, might or might not happen. I need there was little bits of string in this guy here. Yeah, exactly. If I install software and this thing just smokes like crazy, there's no point. So let's do this here. What's really crappy is that I kinda troll these guys on their live streams, so they're probably here to troll me, which is just hilarious. All right, here we go. This is not going to be good. Why don't you go in? It's like me trying to put pants on the day after Thanksgiving. There we go. All right. I feel like someone installed the battery box the wrong way. We're not going to say who, but someone did. All right, well anyways, you ready? Hopefully this thing does not catch on fire. Is this on or off? Off. All right. Here goes nothing. No band hammers. Oh yeah, Johnny, I was supposed to send you a sticker in exchange. Okay. Something happened. It's got lights. It's got lights. You can see that. It is prone. Oh, something's going on here. So all the servos are loaded now. They don't want to move. How do you control this thing? Well, no angry pixies. Could be regular pixies. The audio sensors. What's this thing got? It's got a MEMS gyro. No. Okay, well. This thing getting hot? Nope. Dang it. I think I might have to install some software. I don't like that. I don't like that you have to install software. Instead of shipping it, and telling you to add code for centering the servos, they really should have shipped it with software and just shipped you one of these guys. That's all they needed to do. Or they can allow just an extra pin to center servos. But okay, I guess we're installing Python. Yeah, but I mean, look, we're in 5.5 hours in now, and I'm a grown adult. Okay, there are kids that can work faster than me, but not all of them. So at this point, if I was a kid, I'd want to play, and then we can deal with software after. You know what I mean? Okay, going on the Python website. What do they want? 1.3 point something? 3.7. Okay. Welcome to Python. And now also I have to like entertain you guys while I go download software, which is the world's most interesting stuff. Downloads. I do want to play. Of course I want to play. That's just not true, Built. I would have done this as a kid for sure. I wish I had toys this cool. I mean, I did. I had Lego. Oh no. I'm too old to internet. Where's the download? Uh-oh. More resources. Files. There we go. Oh god. Windows. Windows? Embeddable package. I don't know what that means. Windows installer. Hey. Got it. Oh no, what did I just knock over? Oh, just lots of stuff. Fantastic. I have a little avalanche going on down this way. Let's see. So Python installer. Good. Lasers. I do have lasers. So we can make it shoot lasers on a different video for sure. 100%. Sure, install now. What are the options they tell me? Deep. Install. Oh, I do need to install to path. Okay, good. Python to path. It didn't blow up. It's got lights. It's on. It's doing something. The servos moved a bit before. I can turn this off. Maybe I can see if it'll like rise up. Let's see. Move all the legs out like this. We'll see if it'll pull itself up. Oh. Here goes. Oh, jeez. That's like a mouse trap. Let's try that again. We might kill the servos, but I mean, hey, fun is fun. We'll move all the legs in odd directions. All right. Here goes. This thing could jump. Set your environmental variables for Python in Windows. Now, if you're a regular... Ooh, this one's twitching. If you're a regular viewer of mine, you would know... I know nothing about coding. I just smash example code together. So we'll see. We'll see what that means. I'm following the instructions. There's a big red star. It says to choose options based on needs. I did not see anywhere where I can get a sandwich though. And also my laptop is an AMD processor before the Ryzen Rebirth, so it's slow as all hell. I've got a really good computer that way, but the only USB that I've got all the way out here is connected to the webcam. So unless you guys want to stop watching, I can't really connect it to that. Oh, come on. I wish I could juggle so I can entertain you guys. You know, something like that. Could set something on fire. You know when Big Clive has a lull in his conversation, he just makes a whiffle? Don't have anything like that. Oh, you run Mac. Ooh la la, Johnny. Fancy, fancy. One day I'll be able to afford a Mac. Actually, I really like Windows PCs. I'm not that much of a fan of OS X. It's probably because I didn't use it too much. Yeah, there's an NRF24L01 for this thing. I guess it goes in this block right here. This guy there. Very likely facing this way. It's got a big semiconductor here. I think it's a MOSFET. It's got 4 legs though. 5 legs? 5 legs. Don't know what it does. If any of you guys want to go on the search for it, it is a GS26782T or a GS26782ZT. Not sure. Okay, here we go. It's asking me to do something. Disable path length limit. Yeah, let's do that. Yes. Close. Decompress from... Oh, I think I have to... I think like on step 2 they told me to download some Arduino-y stuff, but I was like, I have Arduino. Don't need this. Turns out, maybe I do. Okay, what do I do here? Arduino IDE, got that. Install, yep. Got that. Configure environment. Serial port is not accessible. What, CH340? Yeah, got the CH340. Got that. Oh, they want me to download their stuff. Got it. Show in folder. Okay. Zip extract here. I don't know if this thing will freak out if it doesn't have... I mean, will this burn my USB port? Who knows? Yeah. 5 amp buck converter. I don't see a diode or a inductor. Does a buck need an inductor? How's it going, Pico? Pico is no stranger to these streams, so he knows the level of jank that's possible here. Okay. What do we got here? So the software opened and then crashed. This is not good. This is not a good sign, folks. Let's go tutorials and code. Download that. So yeah, it's good. It's giving me a Pi script, which is good. But it opens and it just shuts. Maybe I need to power off. I do have CH340 drivers. I'm almost 100% sure of it. Do I have a text editor capable of reading this? Oh no. This is embarrassing, right on stream and everything. Open with Notepad++. Let's see. Nothing getting hot? No. So yeah, it is supposed to work actually. I might need to... Oh no. I might need to restart this computer. I'll restart my laptop and see what happens. Because it should work. It should really work. Alright. Good thing I'm not streaming from my laptop. Are you still downloading something? I think it is. Okay, well, I mean, this is kind of embarrassing. How's everyone's day today? Has everyone, like, have you guys, like, changed your, like, Christmas shopping habits this year? I know I've changed mine. I just didn't buy anything. Alright. So, let me just restart. Oh no. Dang it. There's going to be a Windows update. Oh, damn it. This is going to suck. So yeah, the software that they provided just opens up and then immediately crashes. You might want to try a different port perhaps, but my laptop is restarting. This could take ages. So what do we do now? Well, probably take you on some close-ups of what's going on in here. Or maybe I can just work on the wiring. Get out of there. Let's pull these guys. Ugh. There we go. Okay. So let's tuck the wiring. Jeez. So happy birthday to, I think it's Johnny's mom. I have to go like all the way, like 5 feet that way to read the chat now because my laptop is restarting. Maybe I can pull it up on my phone. And my mom is texting me, but it is not the time. Alright, do I have the chat? Yes, I do. Okay. No wine, Mark, because I mean I can send you a gift card to the liquor store if you want. I just can't ship you anything. First year I've gotten a gift from your wife. Nice, Bill. What did you get from your wife? And Johnny, I hope you say happy birthday to your mom. There we go. Now I've got chat. Good. So hopefully the Python script works when we get back. Laptop is about halfway booted. So I don't know what the deal is here, but if you can see, I don't think there's any way that those wires there are going to be able to shut. I'm fairly certain that I got this in the correct way. Not 100% certain, but fairly certain. Maybe I do have to flip the battery box. Maybe I'll just try flipping the box. No, it has to be this way because the switch is here. I don't know. Okay, back to the studio. Ooh, calipers are awesome. Like brake calipers or measuring calipers? Because I guess either way I'm in. Alright, let's see if my little Pi script will work now. Downloads. It's not working. Let's run it as administrator, see if my computer goes nuts. Well, it's not an executable. Okay, so I'm in a command line. How the hell do I do this? Yeah, I really don't know how to run this. Let's see. Run module, F5. It's working. Okay, don't panic, it's working. Is this on? Gotta turn this off. Off, good. Okay, so I see something going on here. It wants to, what? It's looking for an IP address. Why would you need an IP address? There's no IP anything. We didn't install the NRF chip. I don't know. There's no Wi-Fi on this. No, there's no Wi-Fi in this. What's going on here? I need one of your don't panic badges. Wait, is that yours? I don't remember now. Get in there. Get. Okay. This is gonna spring to life now. Okay, sprung. Good. Connect. Whoa, jeez. Oh, so when I click one of the directions, it's giving me a whole bunch of errors here. Okay, gonna. Oh, connecting. I'm scared. I don't know. If I would have thought of this, I honestly didn't know it was a Python thing that ran locally. If I would have thought of this, I would have connected it to the computer. I don't. What happens if I click ultrasonic? So I'm getting errors. A request to send or receive data was disallowed because the socket is not connected, and when sending a datagram socket using send to call, no address was supplied. Okay. Alright, let's go back to the instructions then. Unfortunately, Adeept's website is like very slow. It's like they want me to. Let's see, all categories. Arduino, robotics. Well, I mean, if someone wants to help out, they can let me know how it's done. But at the moment, I kind of need the instructions. That is not the same robot. Okay, what about this one? That's the robot. Yeah, this is $99, $100 US on. Oh, geez. Yeah, open source. Yeah, that's good. Let's see. So it's like I'm connected USB, so you'd think that would be okay. They provided me an NRF 24L01 chip, which I haven't installed yet because they didn't tell me to. Oh, I can't find the instructions. Where are they? Features. Download tutorials. Open a new tab. Okay. And then the PDF manual. I'm going to go all the way to the bottom. Let's see. I'm going to play with this a little bit more here. Click ultrasonic. Not getting anything. If I click this status, nope. Auto, nope. Get a whole bunch of errors. No, I'm using. They sent like a Python. They have a Python thing. So you just. I opened the the idle shell, and I put the Python script in, and it gives me a window. It looks like there's a graph on the window. Okay, so what do you want me to do here? Let's see. GUI. control robot. Restart every time you control. After the LED changes to blue, connect the Wi-Fi of the ESP8266. You didn't tell me to install the ESP. No. Okay. Let's turn this off. Off. Yeah. I thought it was NRF24L01. Oh boy, my eyes are too bad for that. Give me a second. It is an ESP. Okay. So, here it goes. Stuff it in there. Okay. And after the LED changes to blue, I'm guessing it's this guy here. It's going to make a local Wi-Fi thing. So I'll lose my chat again. That's fine. I'll just open my phone. Okay. Phone over there where you guys can't really see. I sure see it's not going blue though. Okay, so I'm gonna be losing you guys. I'm gonna be losing your chat. Is it connecting? It is connected. Okay. See if it'll connect. Not sure, not sure. Still trying to connect. 192.168.4.1. I'm not sure if it's connecting. I'm pretty sure either this LED blue or this LED. I guess that wouldn't be a multicolor LED, so it wouldn't be that one. Let's see. No connection can be made because the target machine actively refused it. Okay. Let's try resetting this. I'm trying again. So that's white now. Okay, now it's blue. Looks like it's initialized. No internet and open. Okay, but ESP DA7C4D. Yep. Okay. Default address. Connect. Yeah, it won't. It still won't connect. Hopefully that's my Wi-Fi. Yeah, my Wi-Fi is the proper one. Yeah, I clicked the path option. Maybe I'll try to reset something here. Okay, so let's go back to my downloads. I'm gonna try to open it with idle as well. This software is from 2018. So I have it open. Can I hit format, run? I guess I'm not sure what I'm running, really. It says like no module named tkinter or something like that. I'm not sure. Just gonna keep reading the manual here. It seems like the Wi-Fi they're asking me to connect to is different than the one I've got here. There is a phone version. I'm gonna try that. It almost seems like this NRF is not, or this ESP is not properly set up, because it doesn't seem to, it doesn't give me the right Wi-Fi information. It might have been updated. Oh, darn it. Okay, let's disconnect there. Oops, that's not what I wanted to do. Because it seems like they want me to put a username and password, but I don't have that. So connected. Bring back the chat. There we go. Let's just do that. Check the instructions. Okay, let's try this. Sorry about the boringness here. // Reload the software if you installed the Wi-Fi chip after you did the initial load. Software in here, you mean? In the on the board or on the computer? Because I restarted that one and I restarted this one as well. What are the odds that a 2-year-old URL still works? They really should have paid for a link shortener too. Details, question mark, ID. Equals com dot adeept dot Lenovo 001 dot smart car oh, look at that. Install. Oh, sign in. Next. Okay, hold on. Let's just go look on the regular Play Store. How many more adeept things? Ah, there it is. Install. Okay. Let's try this. Let's try this. Oh, the 50-50 odds. That switch controller with the UART is connected, either the serial chip for upload or the ESP8266. This one down here, do you know which way is the ESP8266? Is it towards the, is it 0 or 1? Okay, connected there. Upload 0, run 1. Give me a second. Let me just upload 0, so 1. Coming in with the saves, yeah. Okay, it is in 1. It's definitely in 1. Okay. So, IP address we put in. So the problem is, adeept said I would need a username and password, but I haven't. I haven't needed any. What is the default? 192.168.4.1 port 333. Hey, it's 333. Go. Port 333. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. Connect. It just crashed. That's not a good sign. Successfully remembered. What? Why do you do this? 333. Connect. Oh. Huh? Something's happening. I hear hard reset after you inserted the ESP. I did. I could do it like a hard reset. How about this? Go off like that. Unplug the batteries. Give it a couple seconds. that, and like this. There is a blue LED on there, but it doesn't turn on. I wonder if the ESP is running code, or if this thing is just passing through code. Okay, let's try this again. Connect to the Wi-Fi. Like, the thing is alive. Connect. I'm a bit worried that it's not asking me for username and password on the Wi-Fi. Okay, and same thing here. Connect. It's like nothing. So yeah, I don't know why it's not working. That's definitely the ESP that was provided in the kit. I feel like there's some sort of, like, is the ESP wired incorrectly? Is it plugged incorrectly? Let's see here. So 3.3 volt is on that corner. Where is VCC? Oh, is VCC on the square pad, or is that ground? Maybe it was plugged backwards. Hey, whatever. Maybe we'll let the smoke out. ESP does not seem to be like, oh Jesus. So the LEDs aren't on the ESP. Let's see if it still gives me a Wi-Fi. It does not. This is not the correct way to plug it in. May have fried the ESP. I mean, if that is what it is, it just is. Okay, so let's see. I did download some software. I'm gonna just see if there's anything in the V4 software that I can deal with. Well, that's good to know, David, because I did it. Let's see. Manual. Software installation package. UI. Okay, and that the new Pi software, the new Python script still doesn't run. Good to know. Adeept driver. Yeah, it's CH340. So since this has a CH340, I can switch this switch around and pop this in. It might have Arduino code that I need to put on. Go up. It doesn't come with Arduino code though. Does it? It has courses. ESP 8266 lesson, whatever that means. Okay, let's open. Yeah, I do have ESPs laying around. I'm just gonna open the Arduino code for the ESP 8266 lesson, and I might just upload it and see what's going on. No, don't want that. Tools. Now dang it. This should be a ATmega 328p, I think. Yep, 328p. So let's see what they say that I have to use. In the instructions to update the software. Let's see. PU, Wi-Fi module. Oh my god, this laptop is so slow. Yeah, there's this part, but we never, I think it's just a spare. Okay, so Arduino IDE, different versions. Yeah, installing the IDE, that's fine. I want to know what the serial port is not accessible, meaning you had not installed the serial port driver. I think it is accessible though. Tools, port, COM3, yeah, I'm good. COM3. And what uploader settings do they use? Yeah, CH340 is installed. Okay, here we go. Just looking for the upload settings. Yeah, it's just Uno. Okay. Tools. Board. Arduino Uno. And then USB ASP. Okay, let's see what happens. Compiling. It might there might be a libraries issue. That's okay, because I have the libraries I need. Oh, my poor laptop. This thing is like suffering. The fan's ramping up just compiling the code. Something happened. Done uploading. Okay. Now let's see if I tick this off, turn this off, and then try again. I'm gonna go flip the switch on like that. It did something, like, oh, there's a different there's a different there's a username and password now that's different. This is going well. I just don't know what the login information is. Just checking. Okay, I'm just gonna go all the way down. Hey, how's it going, Drunk from Work? Hopefully it's the draw blood type, because I've already drawn blood. Just need the username and password. I don't know what the password is. Let's go 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Oh, I'm connected. Okay. Connect. Yeah. Huh? Still not yet. Okay. Yeah, it's at 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I just so I am connected to the ESP. It's still not working, but that was like one of the learning codes. So let's see if I now software installation package. There's got to be a way now. We're almost there. Man, it's like I've downloaded all the things except for the basic version 3.3. It's downloading now. So I think we got it. Like, I think this is gonna work. Let's just do a reset here. See what happens. Like, it's becoming better and better, because now we actually have a password to put in on the ESP. Yeah, that's what I want. So can you there we go. This is it there. Connect. Is it in self-stabilize? No, it is not. We're getting closer. We're getting closer, ladies and gents. Again, I'm gonna say same thing I said last time. If you feel like if this thing works and you feel like super chatting, save your super chat and go give it to a charity or something. It's Christmas time, you know. You shouldn't be super chatting some random dude on the internet. You should be helping your local food bank or something. Okay, so now I've got the full code. Gonna run the full code. Flip this here, this way. The only thing is the libraries might be a little iffy. I'm gonna see if it compiles. If it doesn't compile, then I'll have to just transfer the libraries, but we're getting closer. So the A, B, C, and D are the like type buttons, like to put it into auto stabilize, put it into attack mode, stuff like that. You know, it's really funny. Built Over bought my my wife streams on Twitch, and a lot of people say that they can't donate to her because they can't like send her bits or subscribe to her because they're decline. Go away. Yeah, attack mode. I didn't even put the lasers on yet. Yeah, they can't subscribe or donate to her because their girlfriends wouldn't let them support another woman like that, which is odd. Let's see. Where did I even install Arduino? That's a good question. Oh no. Yeah, okay. I do need the libraries. Alright, so where did I install Arduino? Program files, I guess? Is it called like Arduino? No. Program files x86 maybe? Arduino. There we go. Libraries. Control V. Replace file and destination. Yep. Yep. Continue. Yeah, twitch.tv/Verawak. Yeah. Unfortunately, yeah, so some people, yeah, they can't support her because their girlfriends or their wives refuse to let them, or they don't want to face their wives with it, or I don't know what the deal is. It's very strange. A1 was not declared in this scope. Well, I'm sorry. Define pin A1. Yeah, you know what, Dave? Thanks so much for dropping by. I really appreciate it. I appreciate that the people I watch come to see my streams. Like, you know, you guys are not obligated to, and feels really good to have someone someone drop by like that. So thanks a lot, and Merry Christmas. And I'll catch you before Christmas. Okay, I need a software. You know what? Screw it. Commenting it out. I was gonna say I need a software nerd, because it says that my pin is not defined. Yeah, that's. So, can someone tell me what's wrong with this? Oops. So, it is written. Trying to install the adeept _ hexapod eno. So, define pin A1. So why is this define wrong? I don't use defines in my in my code. So define with a small d actually. And this is in, it's just on the top, not in the, yeah. So define pin A1. I don't understand what's wrong with that. It says, let's see. So it says A1 was not declared in this scope, but I don't understand. This is code from the manufacturer. A1 was not declared in this scope. And I feel like if I don't get over this problem, there's going to be more, because there are more defines, like trig _ pin A2. Sounds like an error in the program. Yeah, but it's like on line like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's on line 6. This is not good. It's for the neopixels. Do I have to uncomment something? Let's see. What happens if I comment out that and comment out the neopixel stuff? Uh-oh. That's why. Okay, I see what the problem is. For some reason, the board went back to... Yeah, okay, never mind. My mistake. No. I did not. I did not have the right board set in the ID. That is the problem. USB ASP. I hope you guys know how much trouble I have with coding. Coding is not even a distant cousin of my forte. Serial port not detected. That's a lie. It worked before. Is this switch in the correct orientation? Yes. Upload to 0. Something's going on. The ESP is doing something. Jesus. Okay. Done uploading. That's, you know what, I'm incredibly jealous of anybody that can program well enough to do it for a living. I have an issue with math, and even though you don't specifically need math to code, whoops, that's an accident. Even though you don't need specifically math to code, I feel like the same things that limit my math learning are limiting my coding learning as well. Okay. Oh boy. I think we got it. So I've got the adeept ESP now. Okay, let's try to connect. I don't know if this will work. Oh, come on. You gotta be kidding me. Still not working? Am I still... I'm connected, I think. Yeah, I'm connected. Maybe I'll restart the Adeept app. Come on, baby, don't be like that. Yeah, it is on. See the whoops. The ESP's lit. The servo, actually there is a little bit of light. I don't know if you can tell. Something's different, that's for sure. Come on, why? Why you no work? I'm gonna try to upload the code again. Maybe something went haywire. Get in there. It has a CH340 has got to be this guy down here. Yeah. So the TX and RX pins are flashing. I wonder if I had to remove the NRF or the ESP. See, and it did a little twitch. So I feel like it's ready. There's a little bit of light coming from these guys. I also wonder if the battery voltage is low. But okay. That seems like it's set now. Leg twitch there. They are powered up, like I can't move these. Okay, it's off. Flip this switch down. I'm gonna move these legs so we can see it power up. It's powered up. LEDs are on. And they're supposed to go blue when the thing starts working. No, I'm uploading the adeept _ hexapod. I can try a different code for sure. Okay, well, let's see what it gives. Okay, connect to adeept _ ESP. 192.168.4.1 is the default. Just want to make sure. 192.168.4.1. Still nothing. But less than nothing. Like, these lights are on. These servo is working. I don't know if I have to press and hold to go into a mode. Yeah, we could try that. Less than 12. Arduino. Nope, not Arduino. Go course code. I only have 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Don't forget, there's two different hexapods. Yeah, see, I don't see where you're getting the lesson 12, because I don't have all the way up. I downloaded all the stuff. Yeah, lesson. I don't have lesson 12 though. I downloaded version 3.3. I've downloaded version 4. In which folder? Arduino version 4? Arduino examples. I'm not sure. In the manual? Oh, lesson 12. Oh, I see. No, it's just PDF. I don't have any code. No folder. Yeah, I don't know what to tell you. In the Arduino IDE file examples. Oh. Really? File examples. Hexapod. I'm looking for it right now. Examples. I don't have a hexapod in the examples drop down. Is it under no, strings, sensors? Yeah, I don't have it. It's not showing up in the. It's under libraries, hexapod example. Oh, like should I just go in manually into the So I do have the libraries folder open. Arduino libraries. Hexapod. Examples. Wi-Fi control. Okay. Got it. Thank you. Thanks for being patient. Not exactly the sharpest bulb in the fixture sometimes. Alright. Well, let's see. Make sure I have the right board this time, and I do not. It's a Uno. USB ASP, and the port 3. Alright, upload. Include hexapod.h. No such file or. Okay. Let's go grab this. Yeah, I'm yeah, this is more work than I expected. So like I said, if this was installed from the get-go, it would have been a lot better. It's uploading. It's compiling, actually. Something went a little nuts there. Sprung to life. LEDs are lit properly now. I'm going to give this a second to initialize, and then I'm going to shut it down, flip the switch, and see if we can connect. I'm doing no learning built. I'm being tutorialized because the instructions were super not clear. See, now they're going a true blue, though. I don't know if you can see that. They're going really blue. Alright, shut this down. There. Shut this down. Flip the switch. We're going to see if we get Wi-Fi. Okay, we get adeept ESP. It's there. Connected to it. It's blue. Here goes. I don't know. Still nothing. I am connected to a adeept ESP. I'm going to make sure I'm in the correct mode here. It's in 1. It's in run mode. So the neopixels are plugged in correctly. MEMS gyro, so is this. Maybe I'll try just resetting it. Connecting to adeept ESP. So it does connect. It does have the password on it, which is good. You connect the control app, and the thing is, there's no feedback to show that you're actually connected. You hit connect, it goes to the next screen, but it doesn't mean it's connected. So that's blue. I'm expecting it to change color to something else when it's connected. Like, should this take long? Oh look, this leg, these legs, the middle legs are in. See that? So clearly this isn't working. The instructions were saying something about where was it? That okay, so it says movement of the robot can be controlled through the buttons on the interface. The button on the left controls the robot to move up and down. The button A and B is to switch mode. So A is obstacle avoiding, B is self-stabilizing. So hitting B, this doesn't do anything. It's not seeing there. It's clearly not self-stabilizing. Well, Johnny, I don't quite know what else to do. Might have to mess with this for a little while. Everything is plugged in correctly, despite this weirdness with these jumpers going to the MEMS. Yeah, switch is in 1 in run mode. Oh, it like disconnected. I'm not sure if it's actually connecting though. That's the thing. Maybe I'll try uploading it again with a new ESP. I'm sure I have an ESP somewhere. Basically, I have under an hour to fix this because I really want to go to Joel Telling's stream. Hell, you guys should go to his stream. He starts in just over an hour. Alright. Some long range NRF. Some Raspberries. A lot of stuff in here. Pro Minis. I'm sure I have ESPs somewhere. No, you can't run it with a USB. And it doesn't matter because the Windows script that they give you just crashes anyway. I swear it had ESPs. I know I have ESP32s, but I thought I had 8266s as well. Let me hit the reset on this again. They've got this wrong. I think this is the same MPU module that I have. Int ADO. Nope, it's different. Okay. Huh. Well. Looks like there may not be a happy ending. How's it going, Brian? It seems like I am doing it wrong. How come I have no ESP8266s? That's not right. Some nanos. Huh. Okay. I might have one, but from a different project. Let me go check. Maybe it's going to be in the Christmas kit here. Yeah, I've reset it a few times. So let's see. We're still on Wi-Fi. Adeept. Yeah, still nothing. I'm pretty disappointed. I wanted to get this running. Well, the thing, I have a laser diode that I can install, but yeah, it's not helpful if we can't hook this thing up. Let's see if this thing has an ESP8266 module. Uno. Bluetooth? Ultrasonic line tracking. Bluetooth count? Line tracking. Nope. Nope. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to be a disappointment for you guys today, because I don't think... I could swear I had ESP8266s, but I guess I didn't. Damn. That's pretty disappointing. Yeah, this one's just Bluetooth. I've got this guy here, which is a Key Studio, and it does not have an ESP chip. No, motor driver in the middle here, so that's a no. Well, I could try to check the voltage. Let's see. My kingdom for a set of test leads. Here we go. Turn it off. Actually, it'd probably be easier if I just poke the batteries just like so. So negativo. You guys see, kinda. I got 7.2. It's not super high, but it is charged. I can just give it more voltage. I do have a power supply. That would be 8.4 volts fully charged, so I can give it a good 8.4 volts. Make sure this is plugged in. This. There we go, 8.43. Sure. Like so. Like so. Okay, and same thing, I'm going to turn it on. It's drawing 200 milliamps. I'm not going to be upset. I would be really thrilled because kind of not liking this right now. Alright, connect to Wi-Fi. adeept _ESP. Wonder if I have to open a browser to put the credentials in. Uh, 192.168.4.1. I think that was what it was. Okay, refuse to connect. That's fine. Still on it. So here it goes. Connect. Oh. The ESP is accepting input. Oh geez. That's what it was. It's alive. Okay. This is self-stability mode. And this is obstacle avoidance mode. Oh wow, look at that. It works. It freaking works. Ha. So 7 point something volts was too low. That's crazy. Well, thanks for your help, folks. Let me just yeah. So I don't know what these controls do. It's accepting a control on the ESP. So there's just regular self-stability mode, and you'll see if I move this around, see the legs are moving. I can make it turn around. Okay, it needs a bit of traction. Let's give it some traction. I have some time to do that. Where would my glue gun be? If I were a glue gun, where would I be? But it does work. That's interesting. I'm gonna see if I can flash the whatever the code was before, the original code, and see if it was just battery voltage keeping it from coming alive. Because yeah, maybe it was me. Well, it looks like it was. Okay, that's powering that. Wi-Fi, adeept hexapod. Upload this. Yeah, but 7.2 volts is not low. Have a good night, Mark. If I don't see you on Christmas, Merry Christmas. Oops, shouldn't do that. I appreciate you stopping by. Come and say hello. Alright, now we're going to give it some power. 8.242 volts. So this is the way it was supposed to have been shipped. It's a bit different. It's definitely a bit different. Let's see here. Okay, adeept ESP. Gonna connect again. Okay, same thing. Gonna connect. Okay, it's accepting inputs on the ESP now. So yeah, it did work the way it was shipped. This is not very good code though. Wow. So yeah, 7.4 volts is too low. It's funny because I did see that some of these Chinese products that run on AA's will not take nickel metal hydride AA's, which is surprising. But at the same time, I guess that's what the deal is. Like it just will refuse to run. Yeah, it could be exactly that. These buttons don't seem to do anything. B puts it in a different mode. Oh, that's obstacle avoidance. That thing is vicious. Huh. Well, aside from the frustrating part of it not working, you know what? I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna see how far down I can wind down the voltage. That's 8.4. I'm gonna drop it 7.6. Actually, I'll reset it at 7.6 and see what happens. So 7.6, that's like 0.2 volts higher than what I was at. 0.2 to 0.4, I don't remember if I was at 7.2. Alright. Yeah, 7.6 is too low of a voltage. Let's go 7.7. Guess I have to reset it too. You know what? I'll go all the way up. I'll go up to 8 volts if I can. 8.00. It's running 150 milliamps right now. Because if it doesn't work at 8 volts, that's nuts. Because you still have quite a bit of life left in these cells. Okay, let's connect to the GoBot. This is 8 volts. It does work at 8 volts. I'm going to crank it down just a little bit. Seven 9 still works. Oh, right now it's at 7.8 and it's moving by itself. It's going nuts. I'm not touching anything. Yeah, so 8 volts is the lower floor on this. Like, that's nuts. I feel like there's a little bit of design there not that hasn't been taken care of, because 8 volts. Wow. Well, I mean, it is working though. I'm gonna do the tucking of these wires perhaps some other day, but yeah, 8 volts. So yeah, I want to thank you guys all for coming by the stream. I've promised Johnny some moderator powers. Where's Johnny? Johnny, you become a moderator, and BWs, you also become a moderator. There we go. Just because they've been with me for a long time, and yeah, stick around for long and you'll be moderator too. But yeah, I want to thank you guys all for coming by the stream and saying hi. If you are not going to be here for the Christmas live stream, well then, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, whatever you're celebrating. I hope you're doing it hope you're doing it safely, however that may be for you. I'm not here to judge. Yeah, have a nice Christmas to you guys too. Thanks for coming by, everybody. Chemical, always appreciate it. I know this is not your cup of tea, this stuff, but yeah, hopefully the next stream will be a little bit more interesting, because hopefully I won't have any issues with the robots trying to take the limelight. No. But I want you guys to have a really good evening, and I hope to see you in the comment section of the next video, or at the live stream in 2 days. Have a good night, guys.